under 14 and the best girls under 14 were chosen to represent Uganda to play games against other East African countries. This year, the best from here, according to good timing, will simply be spotted by the OPSA Expo. Another very interesting thing is that the government of Uganda is trying to say people should be in groups. Now also in sports, people must belong to federations. Now we have Uganda Handball Federation, Uganda Netball Uganda, Uganda Athletics, Uganda Federation of Uganda Football Association. So every game must have association. Now the football we have just watched here, it is already a federation itself. Thank you very much. Lost and found for Amur district. I'm going to hand it to Joshua to identify. Thank you very much, Descana. Thank you very much. We have gone global and digital. You find the tag number, you scan it, it gives you the name of the child and where the child comes from. What a technology.